Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid and it's Friday, and I typically don't post videos that I could do earlier in the week on Friday. I do need to do like a car chat video with you guys to give you a little bit of an update on things, but Rite Aid flew under my radar this week. Typically, I'm always checking to see if Rite Aid is any good for the week, because to me, it's not something that I do every single week. I wish I could, but the deals aren't always there. There'll be 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks where the deals are just boom, 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 amazing. And then there's some low weeks, and I just don't go there like I would CVS or Walgreens. But anyways, it flew under my radar. And we've got a really good P&G promotion going on here. We also have a booster in the ad that we can use. Now, some people are saying that they can't use the coupons anymore. I don't have any coupons, paper Catalina coupons to use today, but I'm going to try the ones on my phone, see what they say. And if we can't use them anymore, we can't use them anymore. It would not be fun, but we just couldn't use them anymore. But one thing that I want to stress is that with it being a new month, the beginning of the month, you will get those Catalina coupons. You'll get several. You will get several. It's not guaranteed, but the beginning of the month, I get them. And then I spread them throughout the month. So don't be discouraged if you don't get them towards, you're going to get them for a few transactions in the beginning of the month. So there's that. Also, with it being the beginning of January, we have new bonus cash challenges. So with new bonus cash challenges, that means new bonus cash challenges. That also means today, our bonus cash challenge money from November and December dropped. So if you really built that up, then that is amazing. You'll have a good chunk of change. I don't, but it's still good. It's still good. Just because November and December were interesting months for me. Anywho, what else? Oh, I seen Jody Dunn. If you don't know, we are friends. I saw Jody Dunn talk about a different type of P&G rebate. And of course, I had to do it because it looks like a really awesome promotion. So we'll talk about that more in the video. We'll just talk about that more in the video. But we're going to just concentrate on the P&G promotions because it's laundry, it's paper products, it's really good stuff. So anyways, I know that's a long intro, but sometimes you got stuff to say. Sometimes you got stuff to say, and sometimes we just hop right into it. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're starting off with the Bounty. The Bounty Essentials is $8.99. It's part of the promotion where you spend $10, you get back $10 in bonus cash. Now, the 4 equals 8 double rolls is also $8.99 and included in the promotion. I am not grabbing the Essentials. I'm grabbing the double rolls. I prefer those over the Essentials. They're $8.99. We have a $1 digital coupon. We also have a rebate on Ibotta that is glitching. It's supposed to be for 6 count rolls of Bounty, but if you just buy these and upload your receipt to Ibotta, then once you buy it and upload your receipt, like you're going to redeem it, it will show that it is attaching. If you just scan it in store to see if it's attaching still or will glitch, it will not show you that way. So anyways, these are going to be $7.99 after the digital coupon and $4 back, then it's going to be $3.99. That's a really, really good deal by itself, but of course we're not doing it by itself. We're going to grab the Tide Power Pods here. These are part of the promotion. They're on sale for $12.99, and I have a $3.05 digital coupon that I will be using. I'm going to grab some Tide Liquid, also on sale for $12.99. I have a $3 digital coupon, and then I'm going to grab some more Tide Pods. We have a regular $3 digital coupon that is attaching, so just make sure that you have your Power Pods scanned first. So then I'm going to grab one more thing, and I'm going to grab the Downy beads here, priced at $12.99, and I do have a $3 digital coupon for those. So my total for everything here is $60.95 before all of my coupons. I will be using a 5 off of 25 and a 5 off of 15 screenshot coupon. I know that varies per or by store if you can use them or not. I'm going to see if my store will take them. If they do, then that'll bring my total down to $50.95. Then after my digital coupons, my total will be $37.90. I'll get back $30 in bonus cash. I do have a Tide bonus cash challenge. If I meet the first tier, which I will with these products, I'll get back an additional $5. I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $4 back on the bounty, and then I'll submit my receipt to that P&G rebate, and I will explain that after I finish going over the math with you on these items. But I will be getting back a $10 Visa or Master digital card back for spending $30 in products after coupons. That's going to make everything here that you see free and an $11.10 moneymaker, which is just insane. So now let's look at a screen grab video of me going over the P&G rebate. So you'll want to go down to the link in the description box. It will take you to this page here, and it will show you some different P&G rebates. So put in your zip code and tap Find Promotions, and then it'll show you different, different P&G rebates. I don't want to do this NFL Shop one here. I don't want to do the Share Smiles one either. I'm going to concentrate on this Clean Vibes only. So you can tap Learn More, and what it will do is it will show you how you can look at the terms and conditions. So I want to show you those first. So you will receive an either $10 or $20 prepaid MasterCard. It'll take 4 weeks for delivery. If you scroll down a little bit, it'll show you the dates that this is good for. It's good until March 31st, and it must have your P&G products circled on your receipt. And then it does show here that all qualifying purchases must be made in a single transaction on one original receipt. So we're going to just back up, and we're going to go to Redeem, and we'll scroll down a little bit here. And for the Verify Your Grocery Store, I know that Rite Aid isn't a grocery store, but if you hit search here, and it will show you a bunch of Rite Aids in the area, plus this grocery store here, VG's, and then you just select your Rite Aid store, and then you can do your email address and all that jazz. If you can't find your Rite Aid store, you can skip that, and you can still submit your receipt. So I will get back 2 different ones because I'm going to do for one. I'm going to do one for one household and one for a different address because it does say limit 1 per household. So now we're going to use another account, and we are going to do the P&G promotion again, but I'm not going to get the exact same items just because I don't want to get the identical things. So anyways, this Tide Clean Boost here is included in the promotion. It is $12.99, but today we got a really large $5.50, watch this thing slide. This will be we got a $5.50 digital coupon, so I'm definitely going to be using that. And then this massive box of dryer sheets caught my eye. And I thought, you know what, this would be perfect. So these are a $12.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon for that. Then I was going to maybe do these separately because a lot of nicotine items are super, super cheap, and when you buy 2 of them, you get $20 back, and I'm going to scan these or have them scanned to see how cheap they really are. But we're going to go back and we're going to grab some Tide Power Pods. That way we can use that $3.05 digital coupon, and then I'm going to grab Tide Liquid, of course, because it's Tide Liquid. We have a $3 digital for that, and then I'm going to grab some pads. These are buy one get one 50% off. These are $5.99. One would be $5.99. The other one would be $2.99. So of course I'm going to grab those, and then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we can use. Now the offer, or not the offer, but the promotion also includes these bigger boxes, and there are some Ibotta rebates for those. So if that's something that might work better for you, go ahead and do that. So I'm at about $60.94 in products. I have $17.55 in digital coupons that I'm going to be using. I'm thinking about throwing these in with the transaction if they're the right price, because I have an 11 off of $53 coupon that I got from my first transaction. So when you have these coupons here, after your digital coupons come off, you need to be still at that threshold, which mine is $53. So I went and checked the price of the lozenges that I found. The only ones that I found, they're priced at $11.94. So that's not going to work for me. So I'm going to grab some Bounty, and I'm going to submit this to my second Ibotta account. And I'm going to be a little bit short still. So I can use all of my digital coupons and that threshold coupon. I need to spend $71.55. And I'm right at like $70. So I'm going to go grab a soda, or a pop. I should say pop because I'm a Michigander. I'm grabbing a pop. So that way, after my digital coupons come off, I will still be at $53. And then I can use that paper coupon that I got in my first transaction. So that is very, very important. So anyways, if you're able to get those nicotine lozenges or the gum, that is such an amazing deal and a great way to get a bunch of bonus cash. So now we're going to go check out, and let's go see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite, and everything went great. I was just really happy. I had no paper coupons and just digital coupons, and then the one paper coupon that printed out for me at the register, and then I had some screenshots that I used as well. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, or that what I've seen online, that they're not taking the screenshots anymore. That's just something that if your store doesn't do it, then you just, you won't be able to use them. But there's still lots of opportunities to get coupons that you can use on top of your digital coupons. So with my first transaction that I showed you in the video, I was able to use 2 screenshots. I was able to use a 5 off of 15, and that had an expiration date of Christmas Eve. And then I was able to use the 5 off of 25 that has an expiration date of the 7th of January. So here is my receipt. I had the Bounty, and there's $1 off digital there. There's a $5 coupon there, the screenshot. Then we have some Downy beads, and there's a $3 digital there. Then there's a Tide product there, $3 off. More Tide, $3 off. Tide Power Pods, $3.05 off. And then another $5 coupon, and my total was $37.90. I got back $30 in bonus cash, 10 for doing the P&G deal twice, and then I got back $10 for the in-ad booster. Then I'll get back $5 in bonus from a bonus cash challenge for hitting the first tier of my Tide bonus cash challenge. So I think I needed to spend $31, and I spent like $39. So there's that. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $4.10 back for the Bounty. Now, if you scan it in store to see if it's still attaching, it's not going to show up. You just have to submit your receipt. I'll also get back $10 from the P&G promotion, the rebate there. And I'll get back $1.22 in bonus cash because I had 610 points that I got back. That makes that transaction free and an $11.20 moneymaker, and I did have to spend $5 out of my own pocket because I didn't have quite enough bonus cash to cover it, which I'm totally fine with. I really, really am. So then on the next transaction, I did get a 11 off of 53 coupon. And so I needed to make sure that after my digital coupons come off, I was at $53. So I had to go a little bit over what I would typically have to get, you know. So that's why this one was a little bit more expensive. So again, I did the Bounty. I almost said Townty. I did the Bounty. Now this is a separate account. This is not the same account. This is a separate account. So I got the Bounty. I got the Tide Power Pods. I got the Tide Rinse. I got Tide Liquid. I got the Bounce Dryer Sheets, the massive pack. I got some Always pads. I got 2 boxes of those. And then I got a Pepsi to put myself up over the mark that I needed to be at, because I needed to spend $71.55 and I spent $72.72. That way all of my digital coupons would come off, nothing would get kicked out, and I could use that 11 off of 53. So my total was a $43.17. I got back another $30 in bonus cash because I basically just did the same deal again. Then I'll get back another $4 on Ibotta because I have 2 separate Ibotta accounts. I got back 726 points, which equals out to about $1.45 back in bonus cash. And then another $10 digital Visa or MasterCard back from the P&G rebate. So that makes that transaction free and a $2.28 moneymaker, which I still think is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So my total for everything today was free and about a $13.48 moneymaker. I usually round that up to either 14 or 13. I round it up or down, it just depends. But about a $14 moneymaker for all of that laundry products, or all of those laundry products and the paper products and some pads. I think it's great. Now, I don't really use that rinse product, so I'm interested about how that even works. I know I've gotten it a few times. I haven't really used it, but now with the kind that's the Tide and not the Downy, I don't know. How does it work? What do you do with it? I don't know. But anyways, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below. I'm more than happy to help and answer them the best that I can. Let me know if you got anything good this week. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.